Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's days like today that remind me why I wanted to live in a truck, why I wanted to be on wheels and mobile. This morning I'm out at the Konza Prairie Nature Trail, and I got to go for a hike. About a dozen of my friends. It took us probably 18 minutes from where I was camped for the night to make it to this trailhead, and it was an absolutely beautiful morning. So if I can figure it out, I'm going to stitch in some photos and videos of while we were out on the trail. But if not, I hope you enjoy the update. Take care.